Welcome to today's daily message. Today, I want to conclude my reflections on the Second Vatican Council by talking about the shift in focus of the role of the laity in the world. Prior to the Second Vatican Council, the general understanding of the role of the laity in the world was that it was our job to convert others, that we somehow possessed the fullness of truth. Jesus had given us, Catholics, the fullness of truth, and it was our job to convert others to that same truth. We understood ourselves as kind of the fortress on the hill, that we were above everyone else and that we were right and they were somehow in error. The Second Vatican Council, and in particular, the document called Gaudium et Spes, the Constitution on the Church in the Modern World, changed dramatically the focus of the role of the laity in the world. It said that rather than having our job be to convert others, instead, our mission and our role is to serve the world. Our role is to imitate those things that Jesus did. Our role is to get our hands dirty, to be with those people who are most in need of our love and our compassion, just as Jesus did. It's also to understand that our understanding of the faith is not better than everybody else's. It's just different. And that it's not our job to convert the rest of the world. It's our job to bear witness to the world through our actions. It's our job to bear witness to the love and compassion and mercy and forgiveness and justice of God as exemplified in the life of Jesus. Thank you so much for watching today and throughout this week. Once again, I hope you have a wonderful weekend.